Lakes are large bodies of water that are surrounded by land, and are not part of an ocean. The world is home to several beautiful lakes. Most of the lakes in the world are freshwater lakes, fed by rivers and without flowing streams. Like many beautiful, enticing gifts of nature, a number of lakes around the world pose lethal danger. The risks don't come from creatures lurking in the shadows of the perimeters, but from gases and radiation, sometimes caused by human error, but mostly the result of Mother Nature's less than nurturing alter ego. Exposing world's most dangerous lakes into which you shouldn't dive. 1. Jacob's Well. The stifling Texas heat makes Jacob's Well a welcome escape to divers to jump into its cool, deep waters, some to their deaths. The elaborate network of underwater caves stretching endlessly down the well plunge over 100 feet down. About 6,000 feet of passages have been documented going down to well till date. Only researchers with proper permits are allowed to explore the depths of Jacob's Well, due to its high fatality rate. But if you're looking for a slightly less thrilling day at the lake, feel free to dip your toes. 2. Boiling Lake. There are many mountain lakes atop the Watt Mountain, in Morne Trois Pitons National Park. But there's one that's quite unlike the rest. Nicknamed the Boiling Lake, lake is a far cry from cool and breezy. In fact, it's almost boiling hot. Fueled by the lava underneath. This flooded fumarole has a bubbling maelstrom of water in the center and emanates a thick cloud of steam, which ominously surrounds it. Jumping into this misty wonder is not a great idea. 3. Horseshoe Lake. Dozens of acres of dead trees surround the Horseshoe Lake in California, making it a great spot for picnics and hiking. A series of earthquakes between 1989 and 1990 opened paths for carbon dioxide to escape from the magma below, resulting in the dead trees. There are warning signs around the lake since the levels of carbon dioxide fluctuate not only over the lake, but also in the area around it, depending on the depressions in the ground. While safe for the most part, the lake has documented some fatalities due to the gas. The lake also has certain amounts of hydrogen sulfide, which give it a characteristic rotten egg smell. Hydrogen sulfide is lethal. The Horseshoe Lake emits roughly 50 to 150 tons of carbon dioxide per day. 4. Blue Hole. A gaping sinkhole that drops straight down over 100 meters, the Blue Hole in Dahab is one of Egypt's most infamous dive sites. It is most dangerous when inexperienced divers dive beyond the sport diving limit. The sinkhole is connected to the open ocean, through an archway at about 65 kilometers. It is easy for underprepared divers to miss this archway, and lose all sense of direction, eventually running out of air. The leading cause of fatalities at the Blue Hole is nitrogen narcosis, which can cause mental and physical impairment when the body is subjected to high pressure. 5. Lake Natron. The extreme waters of Tanzania's Lake Natron are as deadly as they are beautiful. Water flows into the lake, but doesn't have an outlet to drain out of. As a consequence, as the water evaporates, it leaves behind high concentrations of salt, making it a salt lake. The water is extremely alkaline and its pH is almost as high as that of ammonia. The natron chemical in the lake is a mixture of sodium carbonate and baking soda. It can reach temperatures as high as 60 degrees Celsius. The caustic salt-loving algae give the lake an eerie red hue. 6. Lake Kivu. One of Africa's Great Lakes. Lake Kivu also emits a cocktail of deadly gases. The waters of this Rwandan lake are almost saturated with methane and carbon dioxide, caused by a series of limnic eruptions or lake explosions. In order to prevent another catastrophic eruption, the government turned to this methane as a source of energy, and tapped this source of gas before it explodes. There are over 2 million people living along Lake Kivu. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more videos.